Here's your filler. Just gonna make sure that it's nice and smooth. It feels just delicious. I mean, it's all nice and smooth, no lumps, no bruising, just absolutely normal looking.
I don't
Like
have,
you had nothing done.
I have no pain or anything. I don't feel anything.
Right?
I didn't feel anything.
Feel comfortable?
Don't feel anything.
I'm still comfortable, right?
Okay.
So I'm threading it. This is going to help rejuvenate your skin where you're seeing all those lines when you smile. It's 5 times for 5 days for 5 minutes, remember? So like every time I went to the bathroom, I'd have product and I would just sit there.
So 5, 5, 5.
Yeah, and you can just like even go like this if you want. It'll activate that sugar again. And it'll go yummy, yummy. I'm gonna start making collagen and make my skin healthier and more useful. Okay,
It's really cool.
so now I'm gonna do your neurotoxin. I'll give you a little eye lift too. That'll help pick up your lids.
Oh, gosh, that would be nice. Big group.
So at first what you see, the little bumps, that's just the neurotoxin sitting underneath the skin. And within 20 minutes, that will be underneath. So it'll spread out. And since you have a strong muscle, I'm going to give you more than usual, or what the manufacturers start out with. Now, if you came and saw me 10 years ago, you would start with the least amount, probably. But you have a very strong forehead muscle. And then I want to go all the way up into your forehead line, because one sure tell of an inexperienced injector will leave this area not with neurotoxin, so when you lift your brows, you'll have all these little wrinkles up here. Now lift. And see, she's super strong here. So I'm going to put a little squirt there. So I've covered her forehead really well. So I can just push down on these and they'll go away faster. But by the time she leaves, she will not have the little bumps. So now put your eyebrows together. Her muscle, and this is called glabella muscle, see how that is all the way up there. So that's another reason why I put a lot of neurotoxin right in here. So when I'm doing neurotoxin, I'm going to start out here and go out here, and I will give her enough where that's going to relax. Okay, now relax. And little pokes, of course, but you've been comfortable all along. I'm even gonna put a little up there.
You know, I had Botox one time, and they did not do as thorough like this, or explain it. Like, I feel like you're really paying attention to what
I love what I do. I love it. So now I'm going to give you an eyebrow lift. So I'm going to go around your eyes, okay? And I've run out of nerve. Okay, now I want you to smile. Huge. Since now she's a little bit swollen, or she has filler on her face, her smile lines come all the way down to here instead of just crow's feet there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to inject a little bit further out on both sides. And she should be able to smile perfectly normal. And this will help lessen those lines.
Wow.
She is done.
Wow.
There you go.
That was quick.
Hi, Kybella is great. What is Kybella? It permanently dissolves fat underneath your chin with injections. You already have this in your body, so it's nothing funky or weird. It takes more than one session, but 79% of people are thrilled with results. A lot of people from ages 20 and up get these injections. They're done once a month, and it's underneath the chin. It just depends on how much fat that needs to be removed, and the fat underneath the chin could be caused by inheritance, aging, or from losing weight. You can have excess fat there. So a lot of people have this problem. Here's just some before and after pictures that Kybella put out. It's very interesting. Natural substance, like I said. If you have swelling, you just put ice on it, so it's nothing awful. You can go to work right after your treatment or whatever you want to do that day. I absolutely love this product. I heard about it several years ago, and I've been watching it ever since. Call today to come in for your treatment of Kybella, and we will see you soon. Bye.
Okay, I'm just drawing my no injection zone, where we're going to stay away from.
Where I don't have the fats.
Okay, swallow. Swallow again. Okay.
Hello, my fellow double chinians. I will no longer live on your planet after this.
Leave that on there. Okay. I'll just hold that.
Yeah, the injections don't hurt at all. Not at all. Of course, you're fabulous, so that helps. But yeah, just some burning. But it's not painful. It's just noticeable.
Yeah, there's syringe. That's not.
We did it! Totally easy, just a little bit of burning while, you know, after the injections, but as she moved on, the burning left. And then I would just feel it after it was injected. And as she moved on, the burning would go away, or lessen, I should say. And then now it just feels numb, a little heavy, numb. Like I can't really feel her rubbing on me too much. Still sensitive, but nothing.
Yeah, it's gonna be sensitive.
I will tell you what. I will do anything to conquer this double chin. So this is worth it. Nothing you can't handle, for sure.
Okay, and I want you to hold that on there.
I just got Kybella from Slimming Solutions Med Spa. Okay. I'm a walking billboard. What's wrong with your chin? I will tell you, it's going away. We're having a goodbye party. Goodbye party. Everybody's invited.
It's going away.
Yeah. No, it's just a little burning. It's not painful.
Hey friends, we're all friends here. We're all in this together. I want to talk about my favorite shot I ever get once a week, even though I've maintained an 86-pound weight loss. We call them slimming shots. They have amino acid, B vitamins, and vitamin C, and a little touch of lidocaine so the B vitamins don't burn. But how do they make me feel, and how do they make most people feel? Gives me tons of energy. I sleep well at night. I even remember my dream from last summer, which was months ago. It was about Oprah Winfrey, and we lived in this skyrise apartment. But it was awesome. It also helps with metabolizing fats and your sugar level. Why do I like these? Because they still make me feel fabulous. If I were you, I would order them today. And we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
So I've lost 66 pounds. I think so, yes. And I feel great. Life is good. Everything's good. The main thing is my eating habits completely changed. Like, even if I hadn't lost weight, just with the help that I got, just have been completely life-changing. I'm so glad I came here. So happy. And things just the weight keeps coming off, even when just from learning those habits of not needing to eat to be happy, eat to stay awake, eat for whatever. So life is good. Thank you so much. Oh, the addiction? Well, yeah, I remember when I first started, I would call crying, saying, when am I going to stop craving the food? When am I going to stop constantly thinking all the time, 24/7, about what I'm going to eat and how many calories? And now it's like, I don't even think about it. Like, my company, we went to lunch and had pizza yesterday. I did not feel bad for having a little pizza and a salad. And I went about my day. And it's amazing, the difference. Like, I can go to parties and see cookies and cake and chocolate and not even care to have some. And if I do have some, I have found that I can take a bite and throw the rest away and not feel bad, not feel like I need more. And it's just the confidence that I have in myself to trust that I can control this now is amazing. It's so life-changing.
And the obsession is no longer there.
Yeah, the obsession. I don't sit there and think about, oh yeah, the carbs and the candy and the sweets and all that stuff is gone. And now it's great. It's really good.
And how did you used to feel about yourself?
I felt disgusted with myself.
When you weighed,
well, I had 221 pounds.
And you were hating on yourself and beating yourself up.
I was so mean to myself, and Joy was my little boot camp lady, told me, come in, say things good about yourself. And now I can look in the mirror and I'm like, I am beautiful. I look good. I feel good. Life is good. It is good.
Hey, how are you? I'm Joy, and I'm going to help you. I promise. I'm going to tell you some secrets and mini tips and things that I did when I weighed 212 pounds and lost 102, but that was a little bit too skinny, so now I maintain about an 86-pound weight loss. These are my pants I used to wear. Can you believe that? I bet there's two of me that could fit in these. I remember having to wear these during the winter. And then summer came along. So overweight, I had a hard time finding clothes to fit, so I cut them off on the bottom. Some of the ways that I did it was I used HCG. Our HCG will come pre-packaged for you. It'll include syringes. This is one that we've already made up. Syringes and alcohol wipes. But they're pre-packaged with HCG and then the saline, and you mix it together. We'll show you how to do everything. But they're a daily injection. I gave them to myself first thing in the morning. You have to keep it in the refrigerator. So I first take my appetite suppressant, go downstairs, give myself a shot in the belly. I was set for the day. How did it make me lose weight? Well, HCG kind of tricks the pituitary gland into eating up your body fat that you don't need. It also helps a lot of people say with cravings. I don't know if I noticed that so much, but I did with the slimming shots that we had. But I was able to continue to lose weight while using the HCG shots and the slimming shots, and I also used our appetite suppressants that we offered you. But I read my tips and tools over and over until it sunk my head and my behavior changed. During weight loss, it is so important to change your behavior with food. If you don't, then you could end up gaining all that weight back. And I promise you, it's miserable. But once you change your behavior, it becomes second nature of not reaching for food because of stress, coping, boredom, or whatever is happening in your life that's making you go to food. So as soon as you order the HCG, we will send you tons of materials, how to change your behavior, but also we'll start teaching you nutrition and exercise. You don't have to look at HCG as a permanent thing. It's not. It's a tool to tip you over into changing your behavior, because it's not down here, it's all up here. It's going to be fabulous. You're going to do it. You're going to finally get the weight off, and you're going to stop obsessing about freaking food. You know what I used to do every single night of my life? In bed, I would consume a half gallon of Breyers chocolate chip ice cream. I'd sit there and eat it, and that was even after I ate dinner. At lunch, I'd sit there and what am I going to eat after lunch? Well, and then I had to go somewhere and go get something sweet, because that was me. Some people like sweets, some people like salty or carbs, but it was sweets for me. Finally, one day I woke up, I had it, and I just figured out how to do it. I just rewired my brain into thinking about other things besides food all the time. And if you do my tips and tools, I promise you, you'll be like me and won't ever have to worry about food consuming your life. Order it today and we'll get it there with you within a couple days, I promise. And you'll get all the tips and tools today. I'll see you soon. Bye.
I'm sitting here having big life major discussions with Joy. She is awesome, and we're talking about people making excuses and the choices that you have every day. Joy is my Florence Nightingale, my fountain of youth. She is my friend. I feel like she has reversed time for me. She's given me confidence, and when you feel like you look good, you feel good, and people around you feel good. They want to spend time with you. I'm a people magnet now. We were talking about weight loss and choices, because every day as a cornucopia of choices, you choose what you put in your mouth, what you put on your skin, what you wear, whether you're happy or sad. You choose whether you take the steps or the elevator, and it's pretty neat. I choose to be happy, and I'm glad that I met Joy. I'm glad I came in here. She's wonderful.
Hey, so you're wondering, what's a teeth whitening pen? It's easy. Kind of looks like a pen, but you can't write like a pen. But what it has is carmamide peroxide inside. It's 36%, and this is a humongous one. It's twice the size of what you would find on the internet elsewhere besides from us. And it's also flavored with mint. But you know how you use this? You brush it on your teeth after you twist it up until you see a little bead of gel on it. You brush your teeth with the pen and you sit there for a couple of minutes. So now I'm going to look really dorky so I can show you how to do it. It's that quick and easy. And you just sit there a couple of minutes with this on your teeth. And then after a couple of minutes, you take like a paper towel or something clean and wipe it off. So I just wiped it off. And there I am with the clean white teeth in just a couple minutes. I'd get one if I were you. Bye.